Welcome back. We are here with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do Bantu knots. I know a lot of people are like, I don't know how to do Bantu knots, I don't know how to secure it tightly or correctly, so how do you do Bantu knots? So I decided to do a demonstration on how to do Bantu knots. And typically I rock my Bantu knots as a style. I will wear it for like a whole week, then eventually I'll take it out and have it as like a twist out kind of thing, afro rocking it until that gets old. Also, I do it as a nightly routine if I just want to get a quick curl pattern real quick and then take it out the next morning. It's whatever you decide you want to do with your Bantu knots, what direction you want to go with it. And in today's video, the products that I will be using is my Melanin twisting cream, my Melanin oil, also my leave-in conditioner by MIelle Organics, and my Eco Styler gel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I'm going to enjoy demonstrating the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. So let's get into the video. I will first start off by spraying my hair with H2O. It makes it just easier to part my hair and go through my hair, because at the ends of my hair does get tangled, and I'm not trying to feel pain. I don't like pain, so the water really helps a lot. Throughout the whole video, in each row that I do, I will be applying my Melanin oil plus my leave-in conditioner from MIelle Organics. And all this does is it's really just a moisturizing agent. It will moisturize my hair, and it's easier for me to detangle and twist my hair as I'm creating the Bantu knots. I also want to add, I apply my twisting cream from Melanin as I am twisting the hair, because it defines the curls, one. And then at the end, when my Eco Styler comes in, I use my Eco Styler to coil the ends as I do the whole spin method to tighten my Bantu knot so it can be secured.
what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
I want to be clear on how I secure my Bantu knots. So as I get towards the end, I basically do like a coil where I'm just coiling my hair and it like tightens. And as I wrap it around the knot, I keep coiling until it's just secure around the knot and it's tight. And then I add my rubber band and that's really it to it. Full disclaimer, please do not tighten it to where you get a headache. I've done that before. It is not a nice scene. Do it to where you are comfortable with the tightness and security of the knots. Thank you. You already know what we about to do next. You know, Jari Kenzie, she got to have her baby hairs laid and slayed. You feel me? That just makes the whole style pop, in my opinion. So stay tuned. If you don't know how to do edges, just watch. It's very simple. Just a little swoop, swoop. Nothing, don't over swoop, but swoop. And that's really all to it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me demonstrating Bantu knots. I would like to add that you do not have to do the amount of rows and knots that I did. I just know that I work and I don't like doing my hair all the time. Like, I get tired of doing my hair. That's why I like getting my hair done. So I'm gonna keep this in probably for an entire week. I might stretch it like I always do, and it might hit 2 weeks before I take these out and have my nice little fro. But that's what I do. You guys do not have to do that. You can do whatever you please, however you're feeling that day, because I know I do my hair based off my mood. Tomorrow I could be like, you know what, I'm gonna take these out. But you guys do not have to do what I do. And also, if you guys are struggling with any more styles that you would like me to demonstrate, please let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me or email me, and I will happily learn it, or if I already know it, I will be happily ready to demonstrate it for you guys. This is a hair journey for the both of us, not just for me. And you know, I enjoy showing you guys what I do at home and how I get my hair the way I get my hair. You feel what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Share with a friend and anybody interested in hair and color treatments and things of that nature. So I will be back with another video coming soon. I do not know what it is right now, but I will let you guys know on Instagram. So please follow my Instagram and my Twitter so you can know what's going on with the hair journey and what's going on with Hues By Jy, because we got a lot of updates and my revamp is coming soon. So just be patient with me, guys, but I will be back with more YouTube videos. I am now back and better than ever. So bye, love y'all, and thank you for the support.